How to search inside a web page on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari is the default web browser on iPhones, developed by Apple. It allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to the search bar at the bottom. Then, go to adobe.com. Once you're on the Adobe homepage, go to the bottom panel and tap on the share icon. Scroll down and tap on Find on Page. You can now type in any word over here to search for it in the web page. For example, design. As you can see, it then takes you to the page containing the word design. Following these steps, you can easily search inside a web page on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.